ways in my life I've changed a lot, in a lot of ways I really haven't changed a single bit. I feel like maybe this was the song of, this is the sort of version of the song whereas I was 19 and now I'm 27, that's at 27, and this is a song called Ruins. Yeah, this opened my debut album and I think it's kind of the same thing. No intro on this one, I did all the last one. How do we have to do this again? I'll tell you how I'm feeling. Then you like a cryptomaniac will try and connect the dots and the facts. How do we have to be here? It's these hotels that just can't relax. The more I'll bend, the worse that I snap. Feel like a goddamn maniac. You sure you wanna do this now? I mean it when I say that I don't understand. I mean it when I say that I'm not sure who I am. 'Cause woman, I love you. The next it's all ruins. The minute thinking of you, the next it's all ruins. Tell me, what did I do to deserve somebody like you? It's too hard to tell the truth. Nothing's real, nothing's new. I'm just a product of my